Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Now I made a video a couple of days ago regarding these two wires here and this little splitter. I talked to you about this, how I bought these items. The splitter, here are the two wires. What I'm going to do is actually hook up this solar panel. Now if you saw my other videos in the past, I have these cellular shades that are run by battery and Wi-Fi and all that, and I want to be able to charge them up. So a very good friend of mine gave me a suggestion and said use one panel and then split them off and use two cables to charge two because they're very close together. Now let me just show you what those shades are. If you saw the video, you will see that. Let me show you that right now. So these are the shades that I installed. You can see they're side by side. These work awesome. I love these shades. Definitely check this company out here, Blinds Magic. I love them. Just a big shout out to them. They sent me all these blinds, and I just want to hook up their solar panel. This is their solar panel, and it really works well. We're going to do a test. We haven't had any sun here in a while, so we're going to do another quick update video in a few days. If we get some sun, we'll do a follow-up video, and I'll show you how much power is being drawn out of it. But I tested it with a power supply, and it does plenty of power to charge these up throughout the day. We got plenty of light here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the panel. I'm going to bring these up. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to raise them up. That way I can have access to the window, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to run these cords. Now, the reason why I got these online, 2 6-footers, these are about 3 feet each. They don't sell 4-foot cables. I couldn't find them, but so I had to get these here. I think they'll work just fine. So you can see they're rising up, and I'm going to show you where we're going to put the panel. And this is a nice quality panel, guys. This here is a really high quality panel, metal, really got no problems. It seems to be a nice quality. I'm going to actually stick it to the window. So we get a lot of sun here in the afternoon. We get about a couple of hours here a day. That should be enough. I'm going to put this underneath the grid. I'm going to put it up as high as I possibly can. I'm going to run the wire up and around. You won't see it. It's all going to be on top. I'm going to show you all that footage in a minute. So basically, I'm just going to install this under the grid. A couple of stickies, just a couple 3M stickies that they did supply with it. And this will be out of the way. And hopefully, you really won't see it underneath the, because I got the shade like a little down, you can see here. So that'll hide a lot of that. I think it's going to work well. I think it's going to give me enough power to keep it charged. This window is fixed, does not move. This one does move. That way, that's why I'm putting it over here on this side. This window does not move. I'm going to run the wire up through the up top here. I'm going to put the splitter in the middle. Then I'm going to run one wire to a USB-C right on this side, and then the other wire to the USB-C on this side. So when we have sun, that will charge them both. Even if it's slowly, I don't care. Even if it doesn't fully charge them every single day, it will charge them over time because I'm not using them every day, so it should be okay. So let's get this installed. I'm just gonna put a little piece of little 3M tape on each side of these. First thing to do is gonna set this up on the window, and then we're gonna run the wire up to the top, and then we're gonna show you the splitter, and then we're gonna run the wire. It's really, really simple. All right, here's a quick cutaway here. So I just want to show you, I actually plugged it into a power supply, a basic 5-volt power supply, just to represent the sun, make believe this panel is up and running. In full sun, that's what this is going to represent. So 4.64 volts roughly, and 0.46 amps, 4.66 roughly, and 2.17 watts. Now, what's going to happen here, because I'm splitting it, it's going to split that in half. That's pretty much what it does. You're not going to get the exact same voltage out of two of them. It's impossible. So it's going to take this and cut it in half. You can see here. So I actually plugged in the power supply into the splitter directly, and now I want to just actually show you exactly what's coming out of each side. That way you can see exactly what's going to happen when you, if this is what I should expect on the full sun. Again, 4.5 volts and 0.226 amps and roughly 1 watt. Now that should be enough to charge it over time. It's a little slow, like I said, but it will work. You can see it blinking. That means it's reading the information. It's getting the confirmation. And also the other side, exactly the same thing. Again, 0.231 amps and 1.04 volts, roughly right around there. That's just a quick example how it would be. I plugged it in just to show you what it would be like under full sun, under perfect conditions. That's what this represents. So it should work. It should be fine. Exactly that solar panel puts out around 4 watts to 5 watts. It should be perfect. Okay, guys, I got it together. It took a little bit more time than I thought. I'm going to show you how I ran this. So you can see I did put the panel here, like I told you before. Two little pieces of sticky tape right here. I ran the main line up under the shade, right up under there, right on the corner. This is the first connection. Now, the reason why I bought these cables is because they bend easy. You can see how easy they bend. This is all going to run up in the rail system. I'm going to show you the rail system in a minute where I hit all the wires. Now, there's no sun right now, unfortunately, but hopefully when the sun comes out, these will blink and that means they'll be charging. Now, let me show you the other side real quickly. Again, here is the power source right here, plugged right in, and all the wires are tucked underneath with the rail system. Let me show you the rail system, how I utilize this rail system. Really, really cool. Let me show you. So here's all the wires. So here is that piece I was telling you about, that splitter. It sits really flush and small, as you can see that. These wires actually tucked underneath the rail. Like, those wires are very flexible, so I was able to just push them into the rail and secure them. You can see I had a little extra, so I actually wrapped it around here. I wrapped it around the rail down here, over here. So you have one wire coming here to the splitter. Comes with the main, here is the main power source, which is the solar panel. And then you have the two splitters going out, one to this side, like I told you, and then one to this side. Now, it took me a little time to figure out how to run the wires. I didn't want it to really sit on the shade in the back, so you have to be very careful how I did that. I really want them to just sit as much as possible in the rail. That way it's off the shade, because the shade right behind the shade is where the wires are, so I really be very, very careful with that. I'm just kind of just pushing them back and make sure they don't hit. You can actually stick them back to the wall if you want to, but you can see here most of this wiring, it actually looks really, really good, and it's not affecting it. And all these wires you don't see from the floor because it's so flat. This is why I like this system, so you can really plug it in, one panel, two shades. A good friend of mine said this is going to work, and you know what? I think it's going to work. So when the sun comes out, we're actually going to test this with the meter, see what kind of juice we're getting out of it, and hopefully tomorrow it should be sunny. And you can see all these wires, but when I go down on the ground here, you don't even see it. You don't even see the solar panel because it's underneath the shade. The way the shade is just brought down just enough, so you don't really see anything. That's really cool. So you got one solar panel, two shades. I think it's going to be awesome. And I think it's going to be good. You can see how they just tuck right in, how they worked on top. I love it. And they work no problem. There's no interference at all. I'll show you right here. I'll just close them. Close the other one. Oh, I got the other one. I'll close that one. And you can see here I have them closing. And there's no interference at all with the wiring. That is the main concern that I had. You can just see that just riding right behind it. Nice and smooth, no issues at all. That's okay. Just trying to figure out the best way to tuck the wires in without showing. I mean, that's really that's like the key thing. I don't want it to hit the shade at the same time. So it's a delicate balance when you run these kind of systems here. But I think it looks good. It's going all the way down. Should be no problem. Here's the other side here. Looks great. Let me pull this out of the way. And you can see here, you don't even see anything at all. When they're down, you don't see any wires. They're always going to be charged, always going to have power. I absolutely love these things. All right, guys, so I'm just going to finish up the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll leave some links in the bottom here with these wires and those connections. If you didn't see that video, check out the video on the unboxing of these connectors. I absolutely love them. It's going to be perfect. It's going to work just well. I love it. Here you go, right there. They're closing beautiful, as you can see. Fantastic. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.